Tyler Pilita Garrido Corrales, August 22, 1939. April 12, 2025, was a Filipino singer, actress, and comedian. She was known for her distinctive backbend when singing and was popularly referred to as the greatest singer in the Philippines and Asia's queen of songs for her vocal style and longevity. Corrales recorded 135 albums throughout her six-decade career. Her recordings were mainly in English and Filipino, while on occasion she recorded songs in Spanish and Cebuano. Lauded for her sweet voice and iconic singing style. Corrales was one of the first superstars in the Philippines and became one of the first female artists to reach the top of the Australian pop charts. In 1963, her single "A Million Thanks to You" became one of few songs by a local artist to reach the #1 position on the Hits of the World listing for the Philippines compiled by Billboard. "A Million Thanks to You" and other signature hits by Corrales, including Kapante A Langit, have since become standards. She was a recipient of the prestigious Lifetime Achievement Award by the Philippine Association of the Record Industry PERI for introducing Filipino musical artistry to a global audience. Her success would later extend to film and television, where her show An Evening with Pilita is considered as one of the standards in Philippine broadcasting history. Tyler Corrales was born in Lae, Cebu City on August 22, 1939, to Jose Corrales de Zaragoza and Maria Garrido Monthano. The second of 6 siblings, she grew up in a conservative affluent home in Cebu City. Her upper-class and mestizo Spanish family speaking primarily Cebuano, with Spanish being her second mother tongue. Her father, Jose Corrales, is a Spanish mestizo from Ermita, Manila, and her mother, Maria Garrido, is a Spanish immigrant from Granada. Her cousin, Annie Corrales, was Miss Philippines in 1957 and married businessman Eddie Woolbright. After completing her studies at Colegio de la Inmaculada Concepcion in Cebu, she began attending Colegio Mayor de Padre Poveda, a finishing school in Spain, in 1955, one of the first Cebuanas to do so. She returned to the Philippines following her father's death from a heart attack in 1956. With the loss of her father's income, her mother began taking in boarders, and Corrales took a secretarial course. Corrales said that had her father not died when he did, she never would have become a singer. Corrales had 2 children, Jackie Lou Blanco and Raymond Christopher Gutierrez, who also became actors. Corrales was married in 1963 to the Spanish executive businessman Jose Blanco and separated while Jackie Lou was still a child. Jose died in 1979. Corrales gave birth to her second child, Ramon Christopher Gutierrez, in 1971, known to be the father of Janine Gutierrez. Ramon Christopher's father is Filipino actor Eddie Gutierrez. Corrales also had an adopted son, VJ. In September 2001, Corrales married Paraguayan, Australian businessman Carlos Lopez. Corrales died in her sleep at a residence on April 12, 2025. She was 87. On May 4th, Corrales was posthumously conferred with the Presidential Medal of Merit from President Bongbong Marcos for her services to the arts. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.